So let's just talk about recruiting. We got three levels of our pay system. The first part of our pay system is, and we're going to do the high level points the way you can look at it. Obviously, if you bring somebody in for the 44.95, that's our financial success membership, you're gonna make $35 the next Friday. Okay. So then if they stay in 1 month, which should be have 90% of people do that, you get another 750 bonus. So that's 42.50 on a 44.95 sale. That's 95% payout. Nobody in the industry is even close. Sometimes people even say, "Hey, Ivy, that can't be true." I said, "Yeah, it is." "Well, why do you pay out so much?" Because I know that people need encouragement. Thanks, Dan. I know people need encouragement, and you need that encouragement when you first get in. Okay. You bring somebody in for the EBM, which of course is the 99 to get started and then 59.95 a month. Well, the commission is $70 the next Friday. Now, if they stay a month, then you're going to pick up an additional 750. So that's 77.50. That's about 88%, 80% payout. Okay. So that's the highest in the industry. So you can say, okay, so you want to bring in as many people as you can. Then when you start talking about overrides, okay, now that's based on your rank. If you got two people on your team, then your goal. So that override is small, right? It's on the financial success membership, it's 50 cents. On the EBM, it's $1. But as soon as you get to platinum, when you only need 10 people on your team to get to platinum, then that goes up significantly and it's cumulative. So if you bring somebody in when you're a gold, when you make platinum, you start getting gold pay, not platinum pay. Okay. I mean, you start get platinum commissions, not gold. Okay. You see how, okay, right here, this is your override. So you're making 50 cents. Okay. As a platinum, it's $1.50. Over here, it's $1 and it goes to $3. Okay. Now, but we have I would say some of the easiest rank guidelines in the industry. Okay. And they're cumulative. It's none of this stuff you got to do it in a month. You got to do it in 30 days. No, it's cumulative because when you build a business, you don't build a business for a month. Now, there's nothing wrong with having a promotion or a contest to say, how hard can I go for a month? But when you build a business is a long-term proposition, and everything you do from day one should be helping you on day 1,000 and so on. Okay. Now, once you get 38 people on your team, you are an infinity. Okay. Now, as an infinity on the FSM, when the new people come in, you're getting $5. Okay. And as an EBM, you're getting $10. Now, everybody wants to get to infinity. Okay. Now, when you talk about the products, when you're talking about the strategies, our number one product, the financial success membership, that's going to be key to getting you to infinity because you're going to have great retention. You're going to have people that's going to stay in business with you years, not months, years. Because look, if I'm using my myEcon membership to save me $3,000 to $5,000 a year in taxes, well, when am I going to quit? If I'm using the tax dollars to build my investment portfolio, when am I going to quit? And if I'm using the taxes to save me money on my taxes and I'm investing that money, there's nobody in this industry that has a widget or a product that's a better conversation. Example. Let's say that somebody says, well, we got a product where you can save 20% on X widget. Well, we're going to save, okay, so you spend $1,000 and you save 200. I'm like, okay, that's okay. Well, I'm going to show somebody how to save $3,000 to $5,000 a year on their taxes doing what they're already doing without spending any extra money. They're going to write off their vacation. They're going to write off their cell phone. They're going to write off their internet access. They're going to write off mileage on their car, which they were going to do these things anyway. You didn't have to go spend additional money to get some savings. And see, when that's why we have people in myEcon that's been here 20 plus years. 20 plus years. And they're not going anywhere because it's about cash flow. And we all are at different places in business. But every one of us, when we got in business, even if we didn't call it that, we got in business to increase our cash flow. That's what we want to do. And we all want to have enough in cash flow that we can start investing, build some assets, and then let those assets, whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, whatever, generate enough cash flow from those assets that we can go and do whatever we want to do in our life. That's what myEcon's about. And then finally, the last thing is the renewals. If your team is about using the strategies, lowering their taxes, getting out of debt, et cetera, okay? Then you're going to have an average time of, like in myEcon, our average member is in over 23 months. If they make it to 6 months, they're going to be around for some years. Okay? It's not a short-term thing. Now, as a gold, well, you're getting 50 cents a month on the financial membership, you're getting 70 on the EBM. But when you make platinum, the people that you brought in or somebody on your team brought in when you were a gold, you start getting paid platinum on those people too. It's cumulative. When you get to infinity, the same thing. If you brought them in when you were gold or platinum, now you start getting infinity. Infinity is $8 a month. Now, I mean, and an EBM, it's $11.20. Could you imagine having people on your team that you've been getting $8 a month or $11.20 a month for 10, 15, 20 years? That's a much more stable business model than a business model where you got to go do something in 30 days and hope everybody jump a hoop and then you get a bonus. myEcon is based upon longevity of building a business based on a concept called cash flow shifting that's not going to change. See, 5 years from now, 20 years from now, and this year current, there's over 100 million people in America that's got a cash flow problem. Every day they deal with this cash flow problem. They need an extra 500 a month, 1,000 a month, whatever it is. They need more money. Well, if they got to keep starting over to try to get that, it's not going to work. So we're just that voice that's saying, you know what? Let's look at how this is really done. Okay, and let's look at that real quick. Corporations, you take a corporation like Google. When they first started, they were just making money on technology from the advertising. But then they created a company called Alphabet, put Google up on it, and they became an investment company. Corporations don't just make all their money just from the sale of products and services. After a while, they take that cash, some of that cash, and they start investing and they start building other assets. That's what myEcon is doing. We're saying don't make all of your money just on how many people you recruited or didn't recruit, but take some of your cash from the strategies, start investing, and then be proud of that and make that a part of your conversation when you're recruiting people or when you're talking to prospective members. And now you're going to get more members, and the whole system is just going to be a cycle of growing and building cash flow through team rebuilding. And then, of course, you got the CEO position. You need 200 people to do that. But it's going to be a lot easier to get to 200 people if you got retention than it is if you don't have retention. So that's basically what we do. Some of the things that we have planned for the future in myEcon is real simple. We have embraced AI. We're going to embrace it even more. It's just going to be beneficial. And the way I see us embracing AI is going to be through making our products, making the strategies easier to use through AI. You know, somebody takes their credit report and we hope to be here before Thanksgiving. And they simply upload it into the database that we have, and it's going to analyze their credit report and tell them what they need to do. So we see AI as being beneficial to us, not something that's going to hurt us. And then we just continue to grow and build from there. So I'm going to turn it back over to Dan, but I'm going to be here and I welcome any questions. I'm a pretty easygoing guy, so all questions are good, no questions are bad, and let's just go from there.